In this lesson, we're going to learn how to copy and move emails from one folder to another. Let's start by clicking on our training folder, for example. First, you need to select the messages you wish to copy or move. You can either use your Shift key or your Control key. For example, if I select the first message and I hold down my Shift key and I click on another one, say this one over here, and I select, it will select everything from the top to the bottom and everything in between. Let's say I want to move these messages from my training folder to my inbox folder. I would right click, select move, and just select the folder you wish to move them into. I'm going to select inbox, and you'll see it's now left the training folder and it's now in the inbox folder. The other way you could move is to just simply drag and drop. So I'm going to move this particular one into my inbox, drag and drop. And when I say drag and drop, I mean click, hold your mouse key down, and then drop it where you want to place it. To make a copy of an email message from one folder to the other, you would do as follows. You could also right click again, select move, and select copy to folder. And then you can just select the folder that you want to put it in. Let's say, for example, I want to put it into my inbox from training, and OK. You'll see it's left this message in this folder, and you'll now see that it will be in this folder as well. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to recall or replace an email message. If you and your recipients are all on Microsoft Exchange and in the same organization, you can recall or replace an email message that you sent. So let's click on Sent Items, and we're going to double click on the message that we sent out. Once in here, you're going to make sure you're on the message ribbon, and there's something called Actions over here. Let's click on that, and I'm going to recall this message. Okay, so the person on the other side has not read this message yet, and as you can read, it says message recall can delete or replace copies of this message in recipient inboxes if they have not read this message. Are you sure you want to delete unread copies of this message? Or I can delete unread copies and replace with a new message. I'm just going to delete the unread copy of this message. Just remember, if your account is a POP account, recall, that option won't be available. You need to be on Microsoft Exchange. Now I'm going to double click on this again and back to Actions again, and I'm going to recall it, and I'm going to select the second option there, which is delete unread copies and replace with a new message. And it allows me to retype the message and click on send, and it will replace the one I have already sent.